Good afternoon. Happy New Year, everyone. Right. Got a new toy. There we go. Diesel car parking heater. Sunster. That's the manual. Another leaflet. Right, okay. One box. 2 boxes. Right, I've got it out the box. That's in there as well. Don't know what that is. But put it there. Okay. Okay, that's pipe insulation. There's a flexi hose and a third box. Right, and here's the heater itself. Right, let's have a look in there. Yeah, look. Remote control. Oh, wrong way around. Okay. That is a control panel. Okay. It says Sunster on top. There we go. And there's the actual heater itself and the diesel tank. Right, I'm not installing it today, but there will be a follow-up video soon. So what's that? Electric cable to connect to the heater itself. Okay, it connects to that there, look. Don't know what that bit is. But yeah, that's it for this video. Oh, I'll tell you what, I forgot. We'll open these boxes up. Just bear with me. Okay, so the little box contains this, look. It's a CO monitor, carbon monoxide. So that's good. Right, this box contains power lead, Jubilee clips, exhaust, and there's the pipe for the exhaust, and there's more cable there. So that's that one. Okay, there's one more box. Right, okay, the last box contains this, which is a power brick. Oh, or should I say was a power brick? No, power brick or AC DC power adapter. Okay folks, that's it for this one. Now to figure out whereabouts in the caravan I'm going to install it. Not 100% sure yet, but we'll get round to that in the next video. So we'll call this part 1. Okay, catch you later.